Hello lovely people, this is your girl again, Bernice. I hope you're doing well and thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking this video. If today is the first time, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yes, today I'm bringing to you this look, okay? This look is simple, easy, and it was quick. And for the first time I used the JACLYN Hill palette volume 2. So yeah, this is how it looks. The colors in here are stunning. The colors are amazing. I mainly use these ones here.
So I'm priming my face with Baby Skin by Maybelline, and I'm gonna go in with my E.l.F concealer on my eyelid just so that the pigment from the eyeshadows will take nicely. And I'm gonna top it off with my NARS Honey. As foundation, I'm using my E.l.F in the shade Chocolate and Mocha. And I'm also gonna add some Maybelline foundation in the shade 360, the Urban Cover. So I'm gonna use some regular powder to mattify the foundation and stop the oiliness from my face, especially my T-zones. So I'm gonna use my concealer, which is the E.l.F in the shade Deep Olive, to contour my face. To contour the rest of the face, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 18. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sacha powder. And this is my MAC NW58 to contour my face. And then I'll go ahead and use my Morphe translucent rich powder.
Okay, so now we're gonna go into the palette, okay? Let's try this. I think I'm gonna go with I'm really confused. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this color. Okay. It's doing the job.
For my lip, I'm gonna use my Ultra Matte by L'Oreal in the shade Chocolate, and I loved it. This is actually my first time using it. I was looking for an alternative for the pencils, liners, and I think this is amazing. This is great. I've loved it since I've had it. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte lip cream in the shade Cairo, which is my favorite. And I'm just topping it up with some lip gloss, any lip gloss really that you've got. This is Victoria's Secret's one, and it's the one I had my hand on, so yeah. I'm now gonna use my NYX No Filter in the shade Deep Gold. I love it. And this is my black eyeliner from E.l.F, which is great. I love it. This is my regular black pencil from MUA, from Superdrug. And I'm now going to use my brush from Morphe. And I'm going to highlight my face with my Deep Deposit by MAC. I have done my lashes off camera, and I'm using the mascara from E.l.F, which is in the shade dark or black. I love it. It's really nice and it's waterproof.
So yes guys, this is the finished look. I actually loved it. I loved every step through it. It wasn't hard at all. And yes, I hope you enjoyed it as well and you're going to try it. And if today is the first time, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.